In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash out Binance to Gcash. It's a simple process that allows you to withdraw your funds from Binance and transfer them into your Gcash account seamlessly. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency trading or a seasoned investor, this guide will walk you through each step to make the transaction smooth and secure. To start off, you'll want to open your Binance app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the trade section and then tap on P2P. P2P stands for peer-to-peer, and it's a crucial part of your transaction because it allows you to trade directly with other users, which can cut costs and streamline the withdrawal process. Next, you'll see the option to tap on Sell. Here you have the opportunity to select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell. USDT is a popular choice, but you can choose other cryptos if you prefer. This flexibility is handy as it allows you to select a currency that you are comfortable with or one that provides better rates. Once you have selected your cryptocurrency, your next step is to choose a buyer who accepts Gcash, say, their payment method. You'll find a list of available buyers and you can see their preferred payment methods and the rates they offer. It's crucial to take a moment to review this information carefully to ensure you get the best deal possible. Once you've selected your buyer, tap on Sell with zero fee. This is an attractive feature as it allows you to make the transaction without any charges, maximizing the amount you receive. After choosing your buyer, you'll need to enter the amount of crypto you wish to sell. Be precise with this step to ensure a smooth transaction. Then paste your Gcash number into the required field. Double check this information to avoid any errors because an incorrect number can lead to significant issues. Once everything looks good, hit confirm to proceed with the transaction. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the payment to be processed. The buyer will transfer the payment to your Gcash account. It's important to remain patient during this stage, as transaction times can vary based on network traffic and the responsiveness of the other party. You may want to keep the buyer's contact information handy in case you need to follow up. Finally, once you've received the payment in Gcash, tap on Payment Received in the Binance app. This finalizes the sale and releases the crypto to the buyer. Always double check that you've received the full amount before confirming receipt. And there you have it, you've successfully cashed out from Binance to Gcash with ease. Remember these steps for future transactions and happy trading.